Oh, welcome back, guys. Got a BMW 5 Series GT behind me. If you can see that, suspension's collapsed. So this is the vehicle. As you can see how low that is in the arch compared to the front. This is air ride on the back. So we're either going to have a line problem, compressor problem, valve body problem. It could be absolutely anything. So we're going to get a diagnostic tool on it, see what fault codes we have, and then move forward from there. Got the BMW up in the air now. I can look at this air suspension. This bag is really firm, still got air in it. The one on this side, just barely see it. Let's get the light here. This side is collapsed. So this is the airbag, old, new. You can't really tell, but if I extend it out, you can see what's happened. It's not all the way around, it's just around one side of it. So we can see where the air's gone and why the suspension's collapsed. You can see how baggy this is, and new one's nice and tight. So there's a few things that causes this. Primarily when you get mud and stones running in here and the suspension's bouncing up and down and the stones start to tear into the rubber. Fatigue can cause it, all sorts of stuff can cause it, but we found the problem, or found a problem. So I'm going to fit the new airbag and see if the pump kicks in after a reset. If it starts to lift, then that's all good and well, but if it doesn't lift, there's a good chance that the compressor's kept running and running and running, trying to fill this bag up and burn itself out again. Okay, about to fit the airbag. So this is the little olive on there and the union, which will go in there, tighten up. As you can see, the tabs here, it literally is push up and twist, and it locks in, and it just pops in at the bottom as well. Okay, so that's seated at the bottom in literally just took minutes. I'm going to get the wheel back on, start the car up, do some diagnostics and see if we can get the suspension to go back up. Okay, I don't want it to sit all the way at the bottom, so I don't want to damage the new suspension rubber. So I'm going to do diagnostics from here. Well, the suspension is raised now. We've got suspension. We'll clear off the ramp. This side's up as well. Clear off the ramp. So the pump's working. Actually, I can hear it working from inside the cabin, but it's very quiet. But yep, we're definitely up. Well guys, there's a second boot. You can see how perished that was. Nowhere near as bad as the first one, but still perished. And as you saw, overnight it dropped, and it definitely needed another one. Well, the car's at full height now. I'm ready to go back to the customer. As a quick bonus, I'm just going to show you how you can test these. It's a regular blowgun, an airline, obviously you need a compressor. So I'm just going to blow this up. See little pinholes, and this was the better one. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that. It took 2 goes to get this car right, but how did this problem come about? Well, the customer went in for a couple of tyres on the back. They jacked it up, the airbags overinflated, not realising they had airbags on there, which then exposed the problem that was already there, which was the frayed airbags, and then they slowly deflated. So it wasn't the fault of the tyre shop, because the problem was already there, you could see it was frayed, but the job itself exposed the underlying problem that was inevitable to have happened to this customer. Anyway, we've sorted it out. Hopefully the customer's going to be happy getting their car back. So another job done. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified next time I upload a video. Take care guys.